Question number 50, A part, explain the process of regeneration in planaria, and B part, how is regeneration different from reproduction? So first of all, this is a diagram, how regeneration occurs in planaria. Now we'll discuss about it. Planaria have the ability to give rise to new individuals from their body parts. As shown in this figure, it gives rise to new individual from its body part, and this process is called regeneration. If the body of planaria is somehow cut or broken up into many pieces, each piece grows into a complete organism. Like we can see here, uh, each broken piece gives birth to a new planaria, gives birth to a new planaria. And then regeneration differs from reproduction in the sense that the regeneration can take place from any part of the organism. For example, if we cut tail of a lizard. However, regeneration does not necessarily give rise to a new individual, whereas reproduction always produces a new individual from the parent organism. We can say regeneration is also carried out by specialized cells which proliferate and make large number of cells. From this mass of cells, different cells undergo change to become various cell types and tissues. These changes take place in an organized sequence referred to as development. Now we'll discuss difference between regeneration and reproduction. Regeneration is a kind of asexual mode of reproduction in which only one single parent is involved, whereas in reproduction it can be both sexual and asexual mode of reproduction in which either single parent or both the parents are involved. This mode of reproduction is dependent on a cut in an organism. Regeneration is basically based on a cut in an organism, but reproduction does not involve such cut in an organism. It is independent of that. An example of regeneration is planaria and reproduction, sexual reproduction in humans. Thank you.